You knew, not all at once, not in one dramatic moment. It was smaller than that. A strange silence, a look that felt colder, an apology that sounded practiced, the feeling in your chest that said, something is off. And still, you stayed. Why? Because hope is powerful. And when people are afraid to lose someone, they start negotiating with reality. That is where suffering begins. The pain did not start when it ended. It started when you first stopped trusting what you saw. Most people do not stay because they are blind. They stay because they are trying to save the future they already imagined. You tell yourself, maybe they are stressed. Maybe I'm overthinking. Maybe this is just a phase. But Stoicism teaches something harder than comfort. Reality does not improve because you explain it better. A red flag is not dangerous because it is dramatic. It is dangerous because it repeats, and repetition reveals character. If you want more clarity in your life, start writing down patterns, not promises patterns. The Stoics were obsessed with one thing, seeing clearly, not seeing what feels safer, seeing what is true. And truth usually arrives early. That first discomfort you felt, that mattered. That quiet change in tone, that mattered. That growing exhaustion around one person, that mattered. Your mind may need proof, but your nervous system often notices first. Trust the first honest signal. You do not become stronger by enduring what should have disqualified someone. So what do you do now if you stayed too long? First, stop punishing yourself. You were not stupid. You were attached. Second, stop rewriting the past to protect the image of the person. Look at what actually happened. Third, define one non-negotiable one. Maybe it is consistency, maybe honesty, maybe effort. But choose one standard you will never bargain away again. The lesson here is not never trust. It is trust yourself sooner. If this video helped you see something clearly, follow and subscribe. It helps this page grow so I can keep making more content like this for people who need it.